everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make poripori daikon. Poripori is onomatopoeic word describing something crunchy. So what I'm making today is crunchy daikon pickles. It takes some time because you need to leave it for a while, but it's super easy and delicious. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this poripori daikon, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need. Daikon radish, 1 tablespoon of salt, rice vinegar, soy sauce, mirin, sugar, chili flakes, and kombu strips. And these two, daikon and salt, are the only things I'm using today, and the rest is for tomorrow. Let's cut the daikon radish. Cut both ends off. Peel the skin. Let's cut it into 4 long ways. Then into slices. And put it in the freezer bag. One tablespoon of salt, fill the bag with some air, and shake. Once the salt is circulated all over the daikon radish, open the bag just a little bit. Push out the air as much as you can. And set it tight. And let it sit in the fridge overnight. And this is all for today. It's day 2, and I have daikon radish mixed with salt yesterday and all these ingredients for the day 2 here. You can see a lot of water came out from the daikon radish. So let's squeeze it and put it in a large Ziploc container. Take some and squeeze it really, really well. Salad spinner won't do the job. Then into the container. A lot of water. Let's put some combo strips. If you can't get strips like this, you can get a big piece and cut into small pieces. It's just random amount, but I'm putting about this much. A little more. Now, I'm making the seasoning. So I have soy sauce, sugar, rice vinegar, and mirin here. And it's 4, 2, 3, 2, 2, 2, 1. Dry ingredients first, so that you don't have to wash the measuring spoon. So 3 tablespoons of sugar. 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of vinegar. And 1 tablespoon of mirin. Let's put some chili flakes too. Turn the heat on and just bring it to boil. Once it comes to boil, pour it into the container. Then cool it down to room temperature. You don't need to wash the pot because you're going to use it one more time. I left it for an hour and it's completely cold. Let's strain the seasoning back into the pot. So set a strainer and put it all in here. Daikon radish back into the container. Turn the heat on and bring it to boil. Once it comes to boil, pour it into the container. it down to room temperature and it's done. It's good today, but it's better tomorrow. It can last about a week in the fridge. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Pori daikon is a side, so it goes here, and lettuce salad for the other one. Let's have plain rice here and tofu miso soup or any soup you like here. Anything you like for the main, but I think I want to have tamago korokke. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!